Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to see frequently asked question in ICAR JRF, MCAER CET, Agri MPSC and other exams. Saline soil. What is meant by saline soil, alkali soil and saline alkali soil? So this is table we need to remember. Now what is meant by saline soil? Continuous use of water having high salt content will convert a normal soil into a saline soil. So, if we added salt in water, its electrical conductivity increases. That is why electrical conductivity of saline soil is greater than 4 decisimon per meter. Now, saline is nothing but acidic soil, and we know that in the range of 1 to 14, acid ranges from 1 to 7 and base ranges from 7 to 14. So that is why the pH of saline soil is less than 8.5. Now alkali soil. The continuous use of water having high concentration of sodium will convert a normal soil into an alkali soil. That is why exchangeable sodium percentage in alkali soil is greater than 15%, and alkali soil having electrical conductivity less than saline soil. So if we compare both soil, then saline-alkali soil having electrical conductivity greater than 4, alkali soil having electrical conductivity less than 4 decisimon per meter. Now in case of exchangeable sodium percentage, as I mentioned, alkali soil having ESP greater than 15% and saline soil have ESP less than 15%. As saline soil is acidic, pH is less than 8.5 and alkali soil is basic, that's why pH is greater than 8.5. Now there is other type, saline alkali soil. The this type of soil contains properties of saline and alkali soil together. So saline alkali, electrical conductivity of saline alkali soil is similar to electrical conductivity of saline soil, and exchangeable sodium percentage of saline alkali soil is similar to alkali soil, and as contains property of both soils, the pH of saline alkali soil is equal to 8.5. So I thought it will be helpful for you to remember this step. Now why this is frequently asked question? In ICAR JRF 2020, they ask this question: which of the following condition defines saline soil? EC is equal to electrical conductivity of saturation extract and ESP is equal to exchangeable sodium percentage. Option 1, EC is less than 4, ESP is greater than 15, pH is equal to 10. EC is less than 4, ESP is less than 15, pH is equal to 8. EC is less than 4, ESP is less than 15, pH is equal to 8. ES is greater than EC is greater than 4, ESP is greater than 15 and pH is equal to 10. So the answer is EC is greater than 4, ESP is less than 15 and pH is equal to 8. Now agricultural MPSC mains 2018, they ask the question: which of the following are typical characteristics of saline soil? First, EC greater than 4 decisimon per meter, ESP less than 15, pH less than 8.5. EC greater than 4 decisimon per meter, ESP greater than 15, pH variable usually above 8.5. EC less than 4 decisimon meter per meter, ESP more than 15, pH is equal to 6. EC less than 4 decisimon per meter, ESP greater than 15, pH 8.5 to 1. So the answer is EC is greater than 4 decisimon per meter, ESP less than 15 and pH less than 8.5. Thank you for watching video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.